Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add somebody as an admin or employee on your Facebook page uh, manager account. This is where anybody can be able to help you run your ads, manage your ads, do some editing and whatever role you want to give them. Okay, so first of all, go to your business settings. I'm in my business account now. We'll head to business settings. That is where we are going to add anybody you want to add as a freelancer or whatever you want to add them there as, so that they can be able to run our ads and do whatever role we want to give them. So we'll go to business settings. Once again, subscribe to my channel. I'll be updating you guys with latest information on the Facebook ads and lots more. Okay, you're going to benefit lots of ideas, information concerning Facebook ads, scaling your Facebook ads, and many others. My name is Obiora Munachi. Subscribe to my YouTube channel once more. Like this video, comment, share. If you have any video you want me to make, you can as well comment below in the comment section, and I will reply and make some video for you. Alright, so I'm in my business settings now. It's loading. Alright, so this is it. I'm here in my business settings of my Facebook ad account. Want to add somebody here as an admin or whatever you want to add them, so that they can be able to join us and run our ads. So first of all, what we have to go to people. Alright, I'm already in people here, so this is where we're going to add anybody according to what I want to add them as. So here I'll go to add. That's where we're going to do adding anybody we want to add here. We'll go to add, and then we'll select the role we want to give them. Alright, this is the button. We'll select that and then we'll start. So I'll click on add. Alright, so here we are required to put email. Okay, we have to collect the email address of the person we want to add, so that I can be able to give them access to our ad account. So I'll be adding another email here. So alright, so this is the email I want to add to this ad account. So I'll have to select a role I'm going to give this account. Is he an employee or admin access? And you know, when you give someone an admin access, they have full control of whatever control you have. So you might want to think to it twice. If the person is worth adding as an admin, then you can go ahead. But if not, then you select the employee access. Automatically isn't selected. So if you have any other roles you want to add somebody as, you can add someone as a financial analyst or editor, okay, who will be controlling your card and the rest, and seeing every other stuff. Okay, so but now we want to have access as an admin. No, sorry, we want to give this one access so that they can be able to run our ads and then manage our ads. Okay, so next we'll click next. It will load. Okay, here we will have to assign account to the person. Let's assume this particular ad account has access to 3 pages. We can as well select the particular page we want to add this person into. So let's assume we are adding this person to this particular page. Alright, then we have to select what role they have to do, publish content, reply messages, create ads, and the rest. So then we'll click invite. This is for particularly for the page we want to add them into. But since we are adding it to the ad account, we don't want them to have access to our Facebook page. We want to add them to our ad account only. So we have to select the particular ad account, and then we'll select the role we want to give them: performance, campaigns, view performance, management of things. So basically, we want to give them access to manage our account and the rest. But if you don't want to give them access to manage and create campaigns for you, you then give them access to view your reports. They can be able to analyze your campaign and see what's happening, and see how your ads are performing. So but we want to give them access to the full control of the ad manager, where they can be able to create ads, edit ad, report, and the rest. So we'll click on the first one, which is automatically select the rest. So now this is the admin access. We are not going to give them admin access unless the person deserves it, then we can go ahead and do it. Okay, so also is it catalog? In terms of catalog, you want to add them to a particular catalog. Okay, in this particular page we don't have a catalog yet, but if we had one, we can as well add somebody like this in that particular catalog. The same goes with the page and an app. If you have an app, you can as well add somebody there who will then manage your app and the rest. So basically this is what the video I'm doing on this one. I will show you guys on how to add based on catalog and apps on another video. Alright, so we've selected the page you want to add the person into, and then also selected the ad account you want to add the person into. But if you don't want to add anybody as in your Facebook page, you can as well click that, and then we'll only add them on our ad account, and then they can be able to run our ads. But mind you that you have to select a particular page which they will have to use to run that particular ad. So then we'll now click on invite. Once you have clicked on invite, an email will be sent to them where they can be able to accept the email and then have access to running your ads, managing your ads, and then creating your ads. So that's how to successfully add a user into your ad account and then give them access so that they can be able to run your ad, manage your ads, and lots more. Okay, that's the end of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking around. If you have any inquiries, any questions, you can as well comment on the comment section, share this video, like this video, and once more, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Support me. All right, so thank you all once again. Thank you all guys. See you on my next video. See you on my next video.